Hello everyone, welcome back to Villa Tech Tutorials YouTube channel. So last video what we done, we created one folder in our system and we loaded that one and we created one file with extension .py and also we printed hello everyone, welcome to Villa Tech Tutorials in console or terminal. Okay, and also we use slash n for new line character and instead of creating multiple lines print like that we used single line and we use slash and it will printed in new line character. Okay, so in this video we will discuss two more things. Okay, let me delete this one. Again same print function only. So print function is uh, built-in function, so I am not done anything, so it will come automatically. So let me create hello world. Okay, you can see, so here something getting error. You know why? So here nothing, I am not done anything, so it's I just stated print hello world, but it was showing some error. So why? Because in Python extra spaces is more important, so here space is not required. If you use space you will get indentation error. Let's see. Okay, let me clear this one and also we can give control S. Let me print. We can see indentation error, so unexpected indent. So while working with Python, please be more careful with spaces. We can remove space here the error will gone. So inside you can give any how much space you want, that many space you can give, but it will consider a string. Okay, so before print if you give anything like any space one, it will consider as uh, indentation error, so don't give any extra spaces. Okay, now you can print, it will work. So you can see it printed hello world. Those spaces are more important in Python, keep in mind that one. So next one, I'm removing this space. Okay, next is I can print function. Now I want to print two strings. How I can print? I can use hello. Again I will give one place and I will add 0. How it will print in output? Give control S. Okay, before printing. How it will print in output? So it will print hello 0. Okay, let me clear these things. Okay, now demo, sorry, Python demo.py. Now you can see here it was printed like without space it was printed. Okay, we use it with two strings, correct? So now you want space. How we can print with spaces? Print. Here also you can give, there is no problem. So we will get some errors, some warnings. It's okay, but here gap is fine, space is fine. Okay, here we will see. Okay, hello. Again, place. So when you use place, it is concatenation, string concatenation. Okay, and we have given one empty space. Again, let's take Balaya, not Balaya, 0. Now how it will be print? Now here also you can do how much space you want, so there is no problem on that. So only starting byte you can remember that. Okay. So now how it will be print in output? Let's see. I am thinking it will print. It will take hello world, hello chiro and all, it will be printed in space, so in between. Okay, let's see. You can see it was printed with the space. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to add anything extra in after chiro, again you can add. Again you want to take one plus, and we can take one string and we can print now. Before that, let me clear this and print. We can see it was printed like this. Okay, so this is about print function. So we can see next video with input function. Until then, bye. Thank you.